Hi everybody, David Lewis here. So I have a question for you. Why do you think people actually call dealerships and inquire about a vehicle? There's actually two reasons why they do this. The first reason is to obtain information. They want to ask questions such as, is the car still available? Is that going to be your best price? About options, accessories, colors, things like that. But the real reason why they call, and it is probably the most important reason that you must understand, is they're calling to size you up as a salesperson, to see if they feel comfortable coming into your dealership to visit with you. Are you going to apply pressure to them? Is this going to be an environment that they will not feel comfortable? That's why it's so important that during the conversation you create dialogue with them and don't ask a lot of questions such as, when can you come to the dealership? Your presence is your negotiating power. Be careful about asking for things like their name and their phone number early in the conversation because that just throws up a red flag to them. I'm not saying don't ask for it because you've got to get it. But your goal is to get the customer into the dealership. Very few people buy cars over the phone. Some do, but most don't. And finally, if they've landed on a car, if they're asking questions about a specific vehicle, at the end of the conversation, offer to send them a quick video of the vehicle, a little walk around that you can do in 90 seconds or less. And I always tell them the best way for me to send it to them is via a text message. That way I can obtain their cell phone number. And I just put the video on YouTube and send them a text message. So again, keep that in mind. Two reasons. They call to gather information, but more importantly, they're calling to size you up. And if they don't feel comfortable, they're not going to visit the dealership. Good luck, everyone.